हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, आय एम मुकुंदा माळी। आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इयत्ता 10वीच्या टेक्स्टबुकमधील लेसन नंबर 3.5 द अल्केमी ऑफ नॅचर या लेसनचे इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप अभ्यासणार आहोत। त्यासाठी मित्रांनो हा व्हिडिओ शेवटपर्यंत नक्कीच बघा। वेलकम बैक फ्रेंड्स। The Alchemy of Nature English Workshop Question number 1. Go through the text again and complete the web that highlights the various features of flower of hibiscus plant. 1 is done for you. Answer: features of flower of hibiscus plant. Flower blooms every fortnight. It smiles with the sun and dances with the wind. In the evening, it starts wilting. The next morning, it withers completely. Question number 2. The writer explains the contrast features of water and rock in the text. Write all the features of both water and rock in the given table. लेखक या लेसनमध्ये पाणी व खडक यांच्यामधील फरक दर्शविणारे वैशिष्ट्य स्पष्ट करतो। या दोघांमधील सर्व वैशिष्ट्ये आपल्याला पुढील तक्त्यामध्ये पूर्ण करायची आहेत। आन्सर: वॉटर, जेंटल, लिक्विड, मूव्हिंग, नो फिक्स्ड शेप, रॉक, हार्ड, सॉलिड, स्टेशनरी, फिक्स्ड शेप। Question number 3. Impossible itself says I am possible. Do you agree? Justify your answer by citing some examples from the text and some that you have experienced or heard from someone. मित्रांनो, इम्पॉसिबल हा शब्द मुळात आय एम पॉसिबल असा अर्थ व्यक्त करतो। तुम्ही या अर्थाशी सहमत आहात का? या पाठातील व स्वतः कोणाकडून तरी ऐकलेली किंवा अनुभवलेले एखादे उदाहरण देऊन आपल्या उत्तराचे समर्थन आपल्याला करायचे आहे। आन्सर: इट इज ट्रू दॅट द वर्ड पॉसिबल इज embedded in the word impossible. It seems impossible that a tiny ant can move an insect 20 times its size, but with organized teamwork it becomes possible. It seems impossible that a rock will give way to falling water, but when water flows persistently, even a rock makes way. Sudha thought that it was impossible to become a dancer with one wooden leg, but with strong determination she made it possible. Question number 4. Find synonyms from the text for the following words or phrases. खालील शब्द किंवा फ्रेजेससाठी आपल्याला समानार्थी शब्द या टेक्स्टमधून लिहायचे आहेत। ए. स्ट्रॉंग फिलिंग ऑफ फियर और रिस्पेक्ट. ऑ. बी. टू डायरेक्ट ऑथोरिटेटिवली. कमांड. सी. टू पियर थ्रू. पीपिंग. डी. लार्ज एंड इम्प्रेसिवली ब्यूटीफुल, मैजेस्टिक. E. easily broken or damaged, delicate. Question number 5. How can you prove this maxim to be incorrect? Too many cooks spoil the broth. Write a counter view on the given topic. मित्रांनो, या प्रश्नामध्ये भाराभर आचारी वर्णामध्ये मीठ भारी हे नीतिवचन चुकीचे आहे हे आपल्याला सिद्ध करायचे आहे व दिलेल्या विषयाचे खंडन करायचे आहे। आन्सर: टू मेनी कुक्स स्पॉइल द ब्रोथ. इन एनी टास्क लाइक प्रिपेरिंग अ रेसिपी ओनली वन पर्सन मस्ट फॉलो अ सिंगल मेथड. इफ वन पर्सन insists on adding salt while another says that sugar should be added, the taste of the dish will spoil. Different people come up with different ideas. If all the ideas are followed, The attempt at any task will be a complete failure. Counterview, teamwork. Many hands make light work. While rowing a boat, one man gets tired. It is a heavy task for him. However, if four people row a boat, the task becomes simple and easy. It can be said that if a physical task is carried out by a team, it becomes easy. It can be managed properly. Where the brain is involved, only one person should manage. He can take the help of others, but he must follow his own opinion. If everyone gives a different opinion, the work is spoiled. Question number 6. Make a list of all the words related to the word ocean. Answer: fishers, salty, beach, water, oysters, peril, sand. Question number 7. The author has very positively described the different things in nature. Discuss with your partner the special features of each one of them. Add on the list. लेखकाने निसर्गातील विविध वस्तूंचे अत्यंत सकारात्मक वर्णन केलेले आहे. त्यातील प्रत्येकाच्या खास एका वैशिष्ट्याची आपल्याला यादीत भर घालायची आहे. पुढील चार्ट आपल्याला कंप्लीट करायचा आहे. पार्ट ऑफ नेचर, स्पेशल फीचर, व्हॅल्यू लर्न्ड. फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ नेचर, वॉटर. स्पेशल फीचर, टेक्स एनी शेप. व्हॅल्यू लर्न्ड, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, मोबिलिटी. सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ नेचर, रेनबो. स्पेशल फीचर, कलरफुल. व्हॅल्यू लर्न्ड, स्प्रेडिंग जॉय अँड ब्युटी. नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ नेचर, कॅटरपिलर. स्पेशल फीचर, ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन. व्हॅल्यू लर्न्ड, ट्रान्सफॉर्म टू समथिंग ब्युटिफुल. नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ नेचर, स्पायडर. स्पेशल फीचर, constant efforts. Value learnt, never give up. Next part of nature, trees. Special feature, provide food and shelter. Value learnt, be useful to others. Next part of nature, sun. Special feature, heat and light. Value learnt, give life and sustenance. Next, moon. Cool light, remove darkness. Next part, grass. Grows in crevices, find a way. Next part, oyster. Turns sand to pearl, create something precious. Next part, tortoise. Very slow, slow but steady. Question number 8. Your friend has his board exam. He studies for 14 hours a day, sitting at one place. Write a letter to him giving him tips to relax and be stress free. तुमच्या मित्राची बोर्डाची परीक्षा आहे. तो दिवसाचे 14 तास एका ठिकाणी बसून अभ्यास करतो. त्याला आराम करण्याचा व तणावमुक्त राहण्याचा सल्ला देणारे पत्र लिहा. आन्सर: शुभम जाधव, MG रोड, पुणे. 10th January 2019. Dear Mayur, I know that you are very busy preparing for the board exams. You told me last time that you intend to shine in the merit list. Of course, you have to give a lot of time and efforts to achieve this goal. The 14 hours of efforts that you put in daily is an investment, and you will reap happiness in future. At the same time, see that you do not stretch yourself too much until it affects your health. As your friend, I would like to tell you that take occasional breaks from your study. There are so many things that you can do. Change of work is also rest. You can watch TV for some time or meet friends once in a week. You will find a lot of souls in nature. Take a walk in the garden or the riverside and all trace of exam will vanish. Try it. It will make you feel fresh for study. I wish you best luck for your exams. Give my regards to your parents. Your lovingly friend Shubham Jadhav. Question number 9. You have an Environment Protection Week to be celebrated in your school. You have invited an environmentalist. You have to interview him or her about how to save environment. Frame about 10 to 12 questions for the interview. तुमच्या शाळेत पर्यावरण संरक्षण सप्ताह साजरा होणार आहे. तुम्ही एका पर्यावरण तज्ज्ञास आमंत्रित केले आहे. तुम्हाला पर्यावरणाचे संरक्षण कसे करावे याविषयी त्याची मुलाखत घ्यायची आहे. मुलाखतीसाठी 10 ते 12 प्रश्न आपल्याला तयार करायचे आहेत. आन्सर क्वेश्चन्स फॉर इंटरव्यू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. विल यू प्लीज टेल मी अबाउट युअर वर्क इन दिस फील्ड. 2. Were you really interested in this field from the beginning? 3. As an environmentalist, when did you start your work? What exactly you do? Question number 4. What do you think about diminishing percentage of trees and forest? Question number 5. What is your end of the world prediction if we don't keep global temperature below 1.5 degrees Celsius? Question number 6. What do you think the government should do? Question number 7. What will you tell people who do not believe in widely discussed climate change? Question number 8. Being a citizen of our country, what do you expect from every citizen about this intense problem? Question number 9. If there's one thing that everyone could do today to help protect the environment, what would that be? Question number 10. What advice would you give to young generation at this moment? Question number 10. Write a news report on the Environment Day celebrated in your school. Answer. We celebrated Environment Day on 5th June in our school. A poster competition was organized and posters related to environment protection were prepared by students. Altogether, 22 students participated in the competition. We invited a famous environmentalist as a judge. He also distributed the prizes for the best 3 posters. All the posters were displayed on the classroom walls for 1 week. Suresh, a student of class 9, interviewed the environmentalist and he gave us many tips about protecting the environment. Each one of us decided to contribute one potted plant for the school and water it regularly. In the last hour, all the teachers and students worked together and we cleaned up the whole school. It was a wonderful experience. Question number 11. Develop a story with the given ending. Give a suitable title and moral. I hope friends तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ नक्कीच आवडला असेल. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा. जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थ्यांपर्यंत या व्हिडिओला शेअर करा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग फ्रेंड्स.